Profit, ego, basically today's causes of total blindness. It's not only about that deforestation thousands of miles from you. They all need diversity. They need dead material to decompose. They need the ability to keep moisture. Give forests what they need. Buy a tree with zero profit and just feel good about it. My special thanks goes to Laura, who is a true helper in terms of tree fund, patronship, and being a huge part of Painter's Voyage. Thank you, and all of you, patrons, followers, and those who care. For all of my wood projects, I'm using wood that was ready to be shredded and burned.